Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back again with scientific news updates, some latest science updates in the research fields, and also with some scholarship position in the different part of world universities. If you really want to go for the master program, a research program, a PhD programs, definitely you watch up to end the video because the end portion is totally dedicated for the scholarship position in different part of the worlds. Now we start the news. The news is related to the coronavirus diseases because this disease is pandemics and whole world is facing the problem because there is still no any vaccines and medicines. But now the anti-arthritic drugs name is the dexamethasone has proven the first life-saving drug against COVID-19 patients. So this drug have the capability to stop the spreading and some disease controlling in the COVID-19 cases. Let's see. Now we see the actual content of this anti-arthritic drug have the steroid molecule that in steroid molecules reduce the mortality rate of the COVID-19 patient. Actually the because in COVID-19 patient lungs are collapsed. These lungs are collapsed by the molecules cytokines. This is the cytokines in the immunological molecules that are responsible for the attack on the lungs molecules. Because these lungs molecule infected by the viruses and these cytokines have the strong this type of the killing effect on the all the cells of the lungs, so lungs are collapsed. So these steroid molecules of the anti-arthritic disease stop these cytokine molecules migration, cytokine molecules productions, so they stop their action on the lungs. This is the main themes to control the disease of COVID-19 by using these type of drugs. These dexamethasones is the first life-saving drug widely used against COVID-19 against because of these roles in the COVID-19 in the cytokines molecules that are responsible for the actions against the lung cells. So these molecules, these steroid molecules have capability to stop the reactions of these molecules. So one things what main important is that we need to use these things because the in these cases I am showing here some positions you can understand very clearly the inflammation avoided damage. The reason behind this immune system's storm of cytokines is responsible for destroying the lungs. This is the main themes. So you need a type of steroid molecules that stop the cytokines storms that is responsible for the destruction of the lungs molecules. This is the main themes by using these drugs is effectively COVID-19. Now we are coming in the corona cases. In case of India, your word labels is really serious situation is coming day by day in India. The death rate is reached 12,000 plus. It's too much, and the daily cases is more than 10,000. In the ranking you can see here top list of the 10 15 cases there is a 40 30. There is a lot of the diseases and the people are dying daily more than the country Mexico. 700 people are died in a single day, while in case of the India it is within single days in India the Maharashtra 2,000 death in a single day, 11,000 plus new cases yesterday, 13,000 new cases reported, death is 300, 400 like that is the daily one by one is coming. Serious situation. If you see the graph level is going up, so we need to be careful against this type of disease. Now we are coming in our last section. In the scholarship section is the Japani government scholarship. This is the best scholarship. I also nominated in year 2013 in this scholarship, but I was failed in the Japani language, so I'm not getting this scholarship. In this scholarship you need to apply first for the Japani university where you get the offer letter, then you go for this scholarship. You just mention in the Googles, you find all the details about this, either your bachelor, master, PhD, anything you want to go for this study in the Japan's, but you need to be offer letter plus Japani language successful. So we need to be application first process, and if the offer letter you will get from the Japan university, then you go for the higher ministry of the education in India where this normal type of the English and Japani language was tested. If you qualify them, then this scholarship is your 100% scholarship and better future for you study in Japan. Thank you so much for watching my video.